This might look like a normal street, but you're looking at one of the most expensive pieces of land on Earth. Right here in front of the Monte Carlo casino. Millions of dollars are parked, every single night. This is the heart of Monaco. A country just 2 square kilometers wide, but with more millionaires per capita than almost anywhere in the world. Around this square, apartments can cost over $100,000 per square meter. That means a simple 2-bedroom apartment here can easily cost over $20 million. And yet, for the people who live here, this is normal. Look at the cars. Ferrari, Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini. In most cities, this would be a car show. In Monaco, it's just Tuesday night. Many of these cars cost over $500,000. Some over $3 million. And they're left outside, without fear. Monaco has one of the highest police-to-resident ratios in the world. Security here is not visible, but it's everywhere. Just a few steps from the casino, you reach the waterfront hotels. Rooms here can cost over $2,000 per night. Suites? Over $20,000. But the real value isn't the room. It's the address. When you stay here, you're surrounded by hedge fund managers, tech founders, royal families. and people whose net worth you will never find on Google. And then, the harbor. Some of these yachts cost over $100 million. For many billionaires, the yacht is not just a toy. It's privacy. It's mobility. It's freedom. In Monaco, wealth doesn't just live in buildings. It floats. What makes these streets so expensive? It's not just luxury. Monaco has no personal income tax. No capital gains tax. For high net worth individuals, that makes a massive difference. Add extreme security, political stability, and complete discretion. And you understand why. The world's richest choose this place. But here's the interesting part. Monaco doesn't try to impress the world. It doesn't need to. The wealth here is quiet, controlled, protected. These streets aren't loud. They don't scream money. They simply exist, for those who can afford them. If you want to see more of Monaco's billionaire lifestyle, from the streets to the superyachts, subscribe. Because this city has many more secrets.